What's up, survivalist? Jason here. Today I'm going to show you my pepper can fire kit. This is just a normal pepper can that I wrapped with a little bit of duct tape on the outside, and it's a simple open. You have the flap right here, put your finger in the corner and lift. It's a pretty decent cover, but every once in a while, if you don't push it down all the way or actually lock it in, it will fly out if it comes undone like that. So here is what it looks like on the inside. There's still enough space to put a little lighter in there, but I'm not going to put it in there because of shipping hazards inside of when mailing. So let's just go right ahead. On top we have a piece of fat wood right here, a really nice piece of fat wood, and you can see how dark that is right there. So there's one piece of tinder. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 cotton rounds. Definitely use that for fire starting. We have another piece of fat wood right next to the bar. Really coagulated right there. Really nice piece of fat wood right there as well. So right here we have, I think it's either a 7-hour or a 9-hour candle right here. So it's unused. So plenty of uses for that, especially for putting it underneath your tinder and trying to, instead of just putting like a lighter underneath there, just light this with your lighter or your match and you're good to go. I have a magnesium little bar. I used it a little bit, but it still has plenty on there. So I have a hacksaw blade. This is high carbon steel, so if you happen to find flint or chert, quartz, whatever, you can definitely use it for striking that and use it as a kind of like a flint and steel. So this has plenty of use still inside of it, and you can definitely scrape off pieces of dust with this magnesium block, but there isn't like a real knife inside of this. So you should probably just carry your own knife if you're going to have a fire kit like this. But you can definitely put one in there. Still enough space to put in there if you like. But there is a magnesium block with a hacksaw blade. We have about, I think it was like 5 feet. Probably no, it was probably 10 feet of jute twine right here. So plenty of tinder. You're not gonna run out anytime soon when you're out there trying to survive. But plenty of uses right there. Definitely use it for bow drill, tinder bundle, your little bird's nest, all of that fun stuff when it comes to making fire. I have a Zip little fire starter right there. Really great fire starter. I think a 4x4 aluminum foil right there. So use it as the base of your fire so you keep it off the cold ground. A little magnifying little plastic card right here, a Fresnel lens. I have 3 pieces of the Coghlan's little fire sticks right there. Plenty of fire capabilities. We have the Sweet Fire by UCO right here. These are made out of sugar cane. You could definitely scrape off a little bit of this, make it into like a little dust, and then light it that way, because these are definitely flammable just by itself. So you definitely don't just need the little scraper to ignite it. Right here, including the hacksaw, high carbon hacksaw blade, you have a little bit of char cloth right there. And finally, we have 32 matches, along with 3 UCO stormproof matches right there. So 3 strikes and you're out. If you can't start a fire with that, I don't know what to tell you. So that is the kit. You could also use this tin, cover it up with aluminum foil right there, and make more chalk cloth if you wanted to. Just take off the duct tape before you do that. So there is the fire kit. I hope you enjoyed it. I want to thank you all for watching. See you in the next one.